Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant unable to update easy and quick. Click here and then type after that type task manager. First you have to make sure that Valorant or Riot Games is not running in your background, so just if you find it, just right click on it and then click in task and keep scrolling down until you find the other task that is related to Valorant and close it. And after that go to control panel. Now click view network status and tasks and then click change adapter settings. After that right click here and then disable it, and then wait a few seconds and enable it again, and then if you're using Wi-Fi, do the same. Just click here and then you will find the icon that you can disable it from. Just turn off your Wi-Fi and wait a few seconds and turn it again, and then all you have to do, you have to go to apps and features, click here and type Vanguard, and then just uninstall Vanguard. And after opening Riot Games client, it will ask you to install Vanguard, so just click install and wait a few seconds. After Vanguard is installed, it will start automatically updating Valorant. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.